back to Rad City. New episode out here at the Urban Spray, full of street art and graffiti. From here we'll go down towards East Side Gallery, show you guys a little bit of the old Berlin Wall, and then get you guys over and show you guys Alexanderplatz. I'll end the video over at Alexanderplatz basically. Hope you guys enjoyed the last video, the Brandenburg tour. Yeah, cool. So you got that East Side Gallery. Show you guys the original part of the wall. This used to be more covered up. Now it's all white, as you see. But normally there's always graffiti on there. That's the original part of the wall. There's the original death strip here in between. No man's land. Across the river here is the west. That's Kreuzberg over there. And then over here on the right, you have the east, which is then Friedrichshain, Kreuzberg. In front of me now, they're building a new building, which used to be Yum. It used to be a reggae club, reggae nightclub outside on the river, but now it's now closed. Moved locations, kind of like down the river some. Cool. Yeah, so there across there is the Oberbaumbrücke. Yeah, Berlin Wall, guys. The original part of the wall. History. That's Berlin, living history here. It's quite fun living here in Berlin. Hope you guys enjoyed the Brandenburg tour. We'll go out now towards Alexanderplatz. Show you guys a little bit here of East Side Gallery. Yeah. Fortunately, all the artwork is here gone, but that is the original part of the wall. And so far, the Super73 RX has been lots of fun. No problems. Lots of cops looking at me kind of funny, but no issues. I'm pedaling. Keep it under the speed limit. Try to. And we're good. I'm always in 10th gear. Never really added 10th gear. Here we got some cool artwork here. We can show you guys. Roger Rabbit. Shout out to you guys, Roger Rabbit. Yeah, cool. So that's basically the end down there. Goes down here, it'll be about 1 mile or 1.6 kilometers. The wall continues over here. It used to be all the way through, but now they installed that building, new apartment building. Kind of controversial. Hi. Yeah. Next police stop, Super 73. Let's see how this is. Hi.
Schönen guten Tag.
Guten Tag.
Erste Frage, Kamera an?
Ja, gerne. Ich kann ausmachen.
Sie müssen nicht treten, sondern es könnte auch so fahren.
Nee, ich muss treten.
Ja, Sie müssen treten, also
ja,
das
genau.
ist ja mit Tretunterstützung.
Genau.
Ach so, nee, es gibt nämlich Unterschiede.
Nee, das ist hier eine ganz normale Gangschaltung.
Ja, okay.
E-Bike.
Deswegen habe ich gefragt, naja, ein E-Bike an sich ist, kann auch alleine fahren.
Nee, es ist keine so.
Ja, dann ist es eher so mit Tretunterstützung, man nimmt gerne Pedelec, weil das nun mal der Hersteller... Ich gucke trotzdem mal.
Ja, genau.
Aber die Kollegen schon das mal nachgeprüft haben.
Hat ja eine Vorteile.
Weil wenn das alleine fährt,
ja, ich weiß.
brauchen Sie ein Kennzeichen.
Ich weiß nicht.
Genau.
Ich weiß nicht, das ist eine Regel.
Genau. Deswegen kontrollieren wir das einfach mal.
Gerne. Kann die eine Vorteile auch, aber
genau.
1000 Fragen. Ich hätte jetzt auch auf meinem YouTube-Channel. Kann ich selber sagen.
Den eigenen YouTube-Channel?
Genau. Da ist meine Vorteile-Erfahrung da vom YouTube-Channel zum Vergleich. Ganz neu, ab und noch. Ich habe jetzt seit 2 Wochen.
Ja, Pedelec. Hier steht sogar Pedelec.
Genau.
Mit deutscher Zulassung. Aber ist gedrosselt noch.
Yeah, I mean, this is...
Weil gibt es auch ohne Drosselung bis 45.
Ja, der Freund ist da. Das ist hier
Haben
das
Sie nicht immer?
Offroad-Modell, keine Ahnung.
Okay, also ganz normal gelassen.
Genau. Weil das ist hier mit der Chain Gang ganz einfach zu fahren,
Okay.
ein ganz normaler
Okay.
Fahrrad. Und das ist den Spaß. Ich habe hier andere Dirtbikes, so ein Move und andere Sachen von meinem Channel.
Okay.
So Union Box habe ich auch gefahren, die
Ja.
von Urban Drive Style. Die sind auch ganz cool. Ich wollte eins kaufen. Ich habe mir gesagt, okay, entweder eine Union Box oder sowas.
Ja,
Aber
ja.
etwas was anderes, was Neues auf dem Markt.
Ja, ja. Was haben Sie bezahlt?
So fast 4.000 Euro.
2?
Hier.
4. Ja, hab's jetzt für 3,8 gefunden.
Ja genau, I
Aber
mean,
ist ja wahrscheinlich schon ein bisschen älter.
mit Liefergebühr. So
Ach so,
150
okay,
Euro
okay,
extra.
okay.
So 3,49, so ungefähr. You know.
Der Kollege prüft bloß Ihre Daten und dann können Sie auch schon wieder weitermachen.
Kein Thema.
Pulled over by the cops. No problem. I had the other camera running with the audio. Maybe I'll try to cut that into the video somehow. But that was pretty cool. Nice interaction with the cops. Part 2. Rad City. Super73. No problem. Pedal assist, y'all. Pedal assist. No throttle. Pedal assist. Can ride all day long in this sucker, y'all. German cops. No idea what's going on in the market today. That's the problem, I think, you know? They have no idea what's going on in the market, so that's just how it is here in Rad City. Let's go to Alex. Yeah, so I would definitely recommend a Super73 RX in Germany, but don't put a throttle on there, guys. I would avoid that. It's gonna get us all in trouble. Like Super73, new to the bike anymore, like they have Van Moof riders are facing right now. So let's not do that. Yeah. Carl Marx Ali. Maybe you guys recognize this from the Van Moof videos. Took you guys out for a little tour here on the Van Moof videos. If you haven't seen that, check out this link here for the road to Van Moof. I'll put it down here below where I'm talking right now. Add that clip for the Van Moof and for the road to Alex for you guys. But yeah, we're just a minute away, 2 minutes away from Alex. I mean, this whole area. Huge, wide bicycle path. It's really nice. Huge. And that was interesting, the second police stop. Showed him even the YouTube channel. So it was a little bit off audio, but basically they stopped me. They were of course curious about the bike, looked up the specs. They got my passport, checked my passport, checked my visa, make sure that it's all legit there. So that was all fine and dandy. Yeah, now we're heading out over here at Alexanderplatz. If you guys ever been out here to Alexanderplatz, leave a comment below. Let me know. Pretty interesting area out here. Huge TV tower. There's a restaurant up in the very top. Pretty cool. Couple of tourists here. We'll head over to Neptune's fountain. Pretty cool. Couple of tourists here. We'll head over to Neptune's fountain. We've been to before in the road to Alex. Here, I'll show you guys a little bit more of the TV tower area. You guys want to cut through the subway? You can do that. If you need to walk or roll, let's see. Cut through the Alexanderplatz here. The subways are. Subways, S-Bonds, Super73. Yeah, that's the TV tower. Tram to pass by. If you've ever been to the TV tower, leave a comment. Quite empty now because of the whole lockdown. That's normal. Fabiano. Also the little restaurants down here at the bottom. TV tower, and then there's the subway station. Subway, trams, underground, above ground, all over. This old relic here, TV tower. Not the most nicest area, but yeah, it is Berlin. Old East Block, apartment building across the way there. If you watch the road to Alex, or you've seen the Alexanderplatz video on the van move, let me know. It's cool. Let's go over here towards Nipton Fountain, cut through here. Other side, the TV tower here. That's cool. You can basically just start riding this thing. You don't even need to turn it on, and then you turn it on, and it kicks in. That's pretty cool, right? Nice effect. What I like about the Super73 is it's really easy to ride, honestly. I've had no issues with it. It's been a great ride. Been a fun time showing you guys Alexanderplatz. You guys live in more of Berlin. If there's anywhere in the city you guys want to see, leave me a note. Leave me a comment. If you guys want to see anywhere in the city, just leave me a comment in the video. It'd be cool. Hope you guys have been enjoying the video so far. You guys think that the review was the review video cool? We got more videos coming soon with more reviews. That's pretty cool. The Alexanderplatz here. And then we have more reviews of like more bikes coming too. Took a trip out to Urban Drive Style, and that was pretty cool. Checked out their bikes, took them all out for a demo tour. That was nice. That was a good time. Rad City. I'm just doing this for fun, and I hope you guys are getting something out of it. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos and enjoying seeing all the different parts of the city. Super Rad City episode 4. Please like, share, and subscribe. Very important, guys. Hit that subscribe button for me. That would be awesome. That'd be super rad. It would mean a lot to me for you guys to do that. I've been having fun showing you guys all the different parts of the city, so hopefully you guys have been getting a kick out of that. And it's super empty today. It's Monday, the beginning of November, so the first day of lockdown here in Berlin. There's practically no tourists out, nobody out. The city is quiet. I'm gonna head out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you guys don't already. Hope you guys found this episode fun. Let me know.